Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and I'm not doing a cook today. I'm just coming here to let you know it's been 2 years since I've purchased my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. It's been 2 years since I bought my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. So it's been 2 years since I got my Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. My first video was why I bought and love my Pit Boss. Went over a lot of stuff in that. That was the whole process of how I decided on ended up getting the Pit Boss. Shortly after that, I did my 1 year review. I went over it pretty thoroughly. So if you want to know all the stuff about this Pro Series 1100, please just go watch that. I've done a video on tips and tricks with it, stuff you need. Got a video on that. I did a video when I got my Smoke IT controller, which works great, and I figured out to get it to connect every single time. Either if you have it plugged into a switch, turn it off, turn it back on. If you don't keep it plugged in all the time, when you plug it in, it should work great. If you leave it plugged in all the time, unplug it before you start it, plug it back in, turn it on, the IT app comes on right away. So there's not a whole lot else to say about this, except it's been 2 years. It's still a great pellet grill. I still love it. I still use it. I've probably cooked well over 150 cooks on it. No complaints. Since my 1 year review, my grates did crack when I made those smash burgers, another video I did. And Pit Boss replaced the grates with 2 instead of the 3 that it comes with. So aside from that, man, everything's great. I love it. I'm gonna keep using it. When I got mine, the warranty was 6 years. I think they're 5 years now. Would I like to upgrade? Sure, why not? I mean, they've got their new Pro Series are awesome. The 1150 is awesome. The 1600 is awesome. My 1100 is still awesome, still works. What I really needed this year was this cover. That's now done, so maybe I'll save up and upgrade to another one. So the biggest question, the most important question is this: would I buy another Pit Boss? And the answer is absolutely yes. Would I like to have one of the more expensive ones? Sure, but you know what? They all do the same thing. And the quality of the build on these Pit Bosses is really good. Like I said, no issues, man. No issues. Knock on wood. You know, I mean, my auger or my igniter may go out, but it's under warranty, right? So, yeah, would I buy it again? Absolutely. If you're looking for a pellet smoker or a pellet grill, I'm sorry, I keep saying smoker. Smoker is the stacked one. These are the grills. You can do all kinds of stuff. If you want to see my playlist on the 1100, I've got all kinds of cooks on it. Not doing a cook today. Anyway, yeah. Great Pit Boss Pro Series 1100. Still using it. Still gonna use it. And, you know, hey, if you got questions about it, just put in the comments below. I'll answer the best I can, whatever I can. I've had lots of questions over the last couple of years. Hopefully I've answered all of them. And hey, next time you see me on the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100, we'll be doing a cook. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications when I'm doing the cooks. And hey, we'll see you again.